Printed logo mats have almost limitless possibilities for design. That's why many clients choose this option when looking for ways to increase their corporate branding. The process begins with a giant roll of plain white fabric. The giant roll of fabric is loaded onto a specially designed printer called a ChromaJet. Once the fabric is loaded onto the ChromaJet, a computer picks up the designs and reads what colors are needed. The computer then queues up a print sequence called a schedule. Designs are typically in sizes of 3x5, 4x6, and 3x10, but they can go up to 6x20. The schedule is made up of a series of colored dots called pixels. The pixels are used to create the image that is being printed onto the fabric. Standard colors for designs can be picked from a range of 53 colors. If a special color is needed to produce a design, then workers will mix dyes in a dye lab. For large orders, custom colors can be made matching a PMS sample, which is an industry color standard. In the dye lab, workers add chemical agents to the dyes to make sure the dyes reach the viscosity and color desired. Dyes are pulled into the pumps at the ChromaJet from a large series of tanks called the tank farm. Here's where a wide variety of colors make up the palette needed to print the schedule. Once the design has been printed onto the white fabric, workers check the wet fabric as it feeds into a steamer to make sure that the dye has achieved the correct color and penetration for the matte design. As the fabric feeds into the steamer, extra dye is removed from the fabric, preparing it for a second steamer. The second steamer allows the dye to set in the fabric, making it permanent. Newly printed mat begins to dry, and workers cut each mat out of the carpet as it comes off the ChromaJet. The mats are then ready to be backed and pressed per the customer's request. Producing printed mats gives the client almost limitless freedom in creating a mat design that is perfect for their business's message or logo.